Welcome to Best Choice. The best TV tray is probably one of the most underrated home accessories. It's the perfect companion for those cozy nights in, offering a convenient surface for your snacks, drinks, and even your laptop. But with so many options available, how do you choose the right one? In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of TV trays with cup holders, helping you find the perfect match for your needs. Number 5. LORYERGO TV Tray Table with Cup Holder. This versatile table is perfect for various activities. It can be used as a TV dinner tray, a workstation, or a study table. It's designed to make your life more convenient. The tray provides a generous surface area of 20.4 inches wide and 15.5 inches deep. It also includes a convenient cup holder for standard cup sizes, keeping your drink secure. The design includes a crossbar at the bottom, enhancing the stability of the frame. This ensures the table remains steady during use, providing a reliable surface. You can adjust the height to 6 different settings, ranging from 20.4 to 28 inches. It also offers 3 tilt angles for optimal comfort, allowing you to find the perfect position. Assembly is simple with the included manual and tools. When not in use, it folds flat for easy storage under a bed or sofa. It measures only 2.1 inches when collapsed. What we like? This tray offers both height and angle adjustments, allowing you to find the perfect position for any activity. It's also incredibly easy to assemble, getting you set up in no time. If you like to customize your setup for maximum comfort and convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. It was super easy to assemble, which I just did this morning. I simply pushed this bar and that bar into place and attached 2 screws, Allen wrench provided, and voila. It's adorable and I'm delighted that it's very light but so sturdy on its feet. The adjustable height is another happy point, and as you can see, I adjusted it so it barely hovers over the arm of the chair. But it would take seconds to make it go lower or higher. Number 4. TableMate Ultra TV Tray Table with Cup Holder. This folding table features a food-rated top, perfect for meals. It also includes an adjustable cup holder and a device console for your phone or tablet. This design ensures stability and convenience. No tools are needed to set up this table. Simply slide the steel legs together and insert the rods. When finished, you can easily fold it up for storage. With 6 height and 3 angle options, it offers 18 configurations. This allows you to customize the table for eating, reading, or working comfortably. It can hold up to 40 pounds and be used in various ways. Use it as a TV dinner table, a computer table, or a bedside tray. It's designed to fit your lifestyle. The L-shaped legs slide around furniture bases. This design ensures it fits snugly against your chair or bed. There is no crossbar to get in the way. What we like? This table comes with a handy device holder, perfect for propping up your phone or tablet. The adjustable cup holder keeps your drink secure at any angle. If you're looking for a tray that's designed to work seamlessly with your devices and furniture, you should consider this one. What people say. The tray is sturdy and well made. The cup holder is a great feature. It is easy to assemble. Number 3. LORYERGO 2-pack adjustable TV tray table. This folding table is incredibly versatile. It works great as a TV tray, a workstation, or even a study table. It also features a convenient cup holder. The design includes a crossbar at the bottom for added stability. This makes the tray much more sturdy and reliable for everyday use. You can easily adjust the height to 6 different settings. It also offers 3 tilt angles, so you can find the perfect position for your needs. The package comes with everything you need for easy setup. The instruction manual and hardware are included, and it requires no extra tools. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage. It can be stored under a bed or sofa, saving you valuable space. What we like? This tray is designed for multiple uses, from eating to working. It features enhanced stability thanks to a crossbar, ensuring your items stay secure. If you have a need for a versatile and stable table, you should consider this one. What people say. Very sturdy, easy to assemble. The adjustable leg height allows comfort for all sizes and the adjustable table angle allows for a wide range of use. The cup holder is a nice touch that gives more space for your food or work and a more secure spot for your drink. They can be adjusted for any height you need. They have secure footings that stable the tray and allow for them to slide close to your chair or couch. A cup holder is an added bonus. They are lightweight and can be folded and stored behind or under the couch. Number 2. Adjustable TV tray table, comfortable folding table, black. This TV tray is incredibly versatile, perfect for various uses around the home. You can use it as a TV dinner tray, a bed table, or even a portable workstation. It's designed to fit seamlessly into your daily life. The height is fully adjustable, ranging from 21.53 to 28.74 inches. You can also adjust the angle for optimal comfort. This allows you to find the perfect position for working or relaxing without straining yourself. It features a stabilizing rod for added support, ensuring it remains steady during use. The tray itself measures 20.47 inches wide by 15.5 inches deep. You can easily fold it up for storage when you're finished. Assembly is quick and easy, taking only about 5 minutes. When not in use, it folds up compactly for convenient storage. You can easily store it next to your couch or in a closet. If the table isn't level after assembly, a simple adjustment is all it takes. Just remove the tilt bar and reassemble it in reverse. This will ensure the tray sits perfectly flat. What we like? This tray offers adjustable height and angles, letting you find the most comfortable position. It's easy to assemble and store, perfect for small spaces. If you are looking for a tray that is both comfortable and space-saving, you should consider this one. What people say. The adjustable feature is a major reason why. The top easily tilts to different angles and can be folded down. Very easy to put together with one hand and light enough it didn't strain my shoulder. Number 1. VECELO TV Tray Set of 2, Folding Tables. This tray table is designed to meet your everyday needs with a tabletop size of 18.8 by 13.8 inches. It features an X-shaped metal stand for strong support and stability. Assembly is required, and it's made of engineered wood. Each table comes with a 3.6 by 1.8 inches cup holder. You can store your water glasses in the cup holder without taking up extra desk space while you are working. This folding table set is very flexible. Each table can be folded flat for storage. When you need more space, it only takes 2 steps to set up and create a storage or display surface. We offer you more color options. This will make a splash in your home whether you want to match or contrast a coffee table, sofa, and armchair. This TV tray uses E1 grade particle board, and the table surface is smooth and odorless. The table surface has a waterproof design with a frosted spray paint coating, which is convenient for your daily cleaning. What we like? This tray comes with an extra cup holder, providing a convenient spot for your drinks. It's also easy to store, folding flat when not in use. If you have a need for a stable and space-saving solution, you should consider this one. What people say. Nice table especially for the price. Read reviews regarding cup holder unusable, but make sure you fold the cushion tape over and bend the forks in. Then takes a bit to pry on, but solid cup holder. Comes in a pair, both are identical. It uses a pretty solid wood or wood-like material for the table, and the legs stand are hard rubber, plastic and metal. Sturdy and solid, but nothing I'd use for extremely heavy items. I use one as a bedside table. My cats are always walking across it and it stands sturdy. I have another brand of TV trays that fall over when they stand with too much weight on one side of each table or the other. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.